Good morning, my lovely bobbies. Today we're gonna check out Nishok's new apartment. He's moving into a new place और आज सुबह एक छोटी सी पूजा भी थी. Now I was supposed to be there at 8 a.m. but I only woke up at 10. So I am running a little late. Not too late, just a little late. Hopefully he's not very mad at me. When will I ever get to drive without traffic on the road? Bro, stuck behind all these corporate employees. Even I feel like a corporate employee. Waking up early, going to work. Hey, 10 a.m. is early only, no? I recently read a stat that Bangalore has the highest number of two-wheelers out of any other city in India. I was initially shocked by this information, but then I thought about it. It makes sense because I barely saw any two-wheelers in Delhi or Hyderabad. Whereas in Bangalore, I guess you need a two-wheeler, otherwise you'll never reach your destination on time. Now fortunately, Nishok's new apartment is almost the same distance from my house as his previous apartment, so I don't have to travel any further away. But one sad thing is that we no longer have cricket nets. We used to play cricket in the nets in his old apartment. That's gone now. That cricket was not just for fun. It is something that turned Nishok and I into tight buddies. You see, Nishok and I are from the same school, but we never spoke in school. Only when I saw him at my gym did I approach him and said, "Hey bro, Nishok, what's up? How you doing?" And then he said, "Bro, do you like playing cricket?" I said, "Yeah." He's like, "I have nets in my apartment. Why don't you come over?" That is how our friendship started. And the first month that we started playing cricket, we played every single day. And after every cricket session, we used to go to Empire. So that's how Nishok and I became close friends. And then Kavin joined us. There it is. Let's go. Yo, man's wearing my hoodie. Look at that bad boy. What's up, sir?
How's the hoodie, bro?
How's the hoodie, huh? Sexy, bro.
Sexy, no? What the fuck is up?
Am I late, bro?
No, you're not late.
I'm not late, huh? Psych.
Started slightly late only.
You started late. I'll park here. Okay, which floor are you on?
On the 9th floor.
9th floor, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out, bruv. Apartment tour. House tour, bro.
House tour, bro.
House tour, let's go. Starting with the clubhouse, bruv. Let's go check it out. It's a nice looking pool. Looks like a hotel pool almost. I would definitely take a dip. Nisho can get me a guest pass, pay for me, and we can swim here. Next, we're gonna check out the clubhouse.
Smoking not allowed, bro. Always.
Smoking not allowed, so I can't smoke your ass. Yeah. Second floor, bro. You didn't knock. Hey, why you are hitting me fucking when you also didn't knock?
You also didn't knock?
Do you guys do this as well? Where if you enter a lift, you gotta knock twice, otherwise you can knock your balls out. There's a yoga studio here, which is massive.
Yeah, one can dance here.
We'll practice for Kavin's wedding here only, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What is there here?
How's the hell? Wow.
Oh, private studio, bro. That's crazy. Now let's move to the gym. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Why is it so big? Lat pull down. Bro, this is crazy though.
This is insane, bro.
Chest supported row.
Bro, Indranagar called same copy. Same. Everything same.
Oh, converging chest press. Let me see how the biomechanics feel.
Yeah, actually, let's see how it feels. It's good? It's good?
Yeah. You don't need a gym membership, yeah. Only for legs you come to a cult. What's the heaviest dumbbell though? That's going to be crucial. Oh, bro, 25, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's a little.
Yeah,
That's a little sad. We just realized machines and equipment top tier, but no cables.
Oh,
The fuck.
that was like
Triceps and all, how you will do?
crucial part.
Guys, we sitting out here and grieving over the fact that there are no cables. Nishok thought he would save 20k a year now because he didn't have to buy a membership anymore. But without cables, what, bro?
Yeah, there's no gym without cables.
Yeah, you need some.
You need it.
So we'll write to them. Please get cables and get more dumbbells. There's one badminton court. This is pretty cool. Let's see what else is there. Gaming room. Oh, snooker and all.
Oh,
Snooker, carom, TT. Nice.
that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Bro, this is actually
Foosball.
yeah.
These are all the amenities here at the clubhouse. We went to the 3rd floor, but what's the 4th floor? Starry Night. So we asked around and turns out 4th floor, Starry Night is just the terrace for you to go stargaze. Nothing fancy. Bobbies, this is the house. This is Pari. This is Nishok's sister's dog. Show us around, bro.
Come. House tour.
House tour.
There is
Living room, balcony. We'll have a look at the view.
yeah.
Pretty good view in my opinion, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Next, moving on to the kitchen.
Utility.
Kitchen boss. Utility. Pari again. First room.
Nice. What, bro?
Yeah.
She wants to be.
Pari wants to be part of the video. First bathroom. Decently spaced.
Yeah, well spaced actually.
Yeah. Moving on to the next room now.
See, this toilet is also good.
This is a common toilet. It's giving a little hotel vibes, no, bro? Slightly.
Give it.
This is going to be Nishok's room.
Boys.
Yeah.
What do you think?
What do you guys think about it?
I think
We'll put one bed here and Nishok and I will have fun here.
yeah. We'll have fun after the cameras are off.
Now moving on to the master bedroom.
Coated
This is the goated master bedroom. Yeah, it looks great. Nice big balcony here and another view. Check out the bathroom of the master bedroom. This though looks like you are in you're in a hotel only, it looks like, bro.
Like one 4-star hotel, bro.
Yeah.
4-star?
4-star for sure, bro.
It looks like it's really good.
It looks really good. This mirror especially, bro. It feels like you're in a hotel. So this is the house tour, Bobby's.
Yes, Bobby's
Nishok's house for the next how many years, bro?
2 years.
2 years.
So till we move into our new house.
New house. That's in Budigere.
Yes. And then after that, again we'll shift. Because we have one more house, Bob.
One more house will be coming up. So this is the scene, bro.
I'm crying for Mohit. And he's also crying for me, guys. Hi, Pari.
We've now come to Nishok's old house because we need to hit the gym. We changed into our gym clothes and Nishok is shaving. Bro, there's barely anything to shave. Guys, Luna's back on the vlog. Somehow she knows whenever a camera is pointed at her.
Oh, exactly. She
Right?
always knows. She always, even I've experienced the same.
See, she went away.
Yeah, see, till now she was sitting next
Till now she was on my face. Hey Luna, we met your friend Pari today.
See,
Huh? We met your friend
See?
Pari.
I'll record it.
See? Guys, this Luna, no. Same like Nishok. Very hyper. But doesn't know what to do when a camera is put at them. Chalo. On our way to the gym now, Bobbies. I'm gonna be training back. And Nishok is training.
Trying to rob some people, bro, tonight. You have to like practice, know how to.
He's practicing street
Open the
skills.
door.
One robber, bro. He's one kalla. First, we need to stock up on Trident. I have only one left. Then take orange, bro. Orange is top tier.
Hey, see, this flavor of
There's another flavor, no? Oh, there's mint. I think that's the original
Bro, this is
flavor.
the OG flavor, which is really good. But I really like the orange, but you already have the orange.
Orange is too good, bro.
It's too good, it's too good.
Alright, Bobby's starting our workout with Trident. Nishok has some pre-workout in that bottle. Muscle Blaze, huh?
Yeah.
Use code BIGMAN.
Code Nishok, bro.
Code Nishok. Nishok is also fitness influencer, guys. No fitness, but influencer. Cheers. This is orange. You got which one?
Mint.
You got mint, I got orange. Starting back with single arm pull downs. Guys, Nishok wants to ask some questions. He wants to make this an informative video. I thought we'll do Bakchodi, but sure. Come
Yeah.
to ask me. What
Okay,
question?
see, so one thing I've realized, you take like 2 to 3 minutes of rest. So, see, typically they say that if you take more rest, then you miss out on the pump, and then you miss out on those gains that you might get from the pump. So, what do you think?
I don't think you make any significant gains from just pump. Because pump also, right, varies from individual to individual. People who experience higher levels of pump typically have more type 2 muscle fibers. Like for example, somebody like Joel here at my gym who's massive, dude's jacked, he will experience a much bigger pump than anybody.
Yeah,
Okay, and
that's
he
what.
feels it more than anybody because his body is also more type 2 muscle fibers.
Oh, okay.
So chasing a pump will not lead to any significant gains, but it's fun to chase the pump sometimes. Look who called us. Look who is on the line.
Shit, wait.
You put him on the speaker. K to the G to the G to the K. Kavin Gotham. What's up, dog? He says hi, guys. Do you all miss him? He's getting a happy ending Thai massage every other day. Done with the workout, bobbies. We're leaving from the gym with a crazy pump, alright? I don't know why I'm flexing my biceps. I did back, but it is what it is.
Yeah, bro, you did workout. I did something else, no?
Yeah, he came for a robbery. Huh?
Yeah, like
If you go check LMNT, go check locker room. Man has flicked straps, belt, everything is flicked.
Don't you know, bro?
Yeah, he practiced. He uses my bedroom more than I do.
Yeah, my other six pack is there, bro.
Your other six pack. You finished your monster, huh?
Yeah, I finished the entire thing, bro.
That's crazy. Come, we'll eat.
I had 2 in one day, and then I had pre-workout on top of that.
Do you want one more? I have fridge.
Yeah, obviously.
I'll get it. Give. Even I'll drink some with.
We'll share.
This is the scene, bro. We got rice and chicken underneath. We got dal and some sabzi underneath. Monster for Nishok because he's on a diet. 0 calories only, huh? He's on a baddie diet, guys.
Yeah, bro, bad dad.
Cigarettes and monsters only.
Cigarette.
Joking, guys. He doesn't smoke. Nishok is eating my chicken and rice for the first time. And he wants to share his honest opinion on this.
9.5. I'm not even blazing.
Wait, what? What 0.5?
9.5.
9.5.
I'm not even blazing, bro. We were watching a vlog. I paused the video 4 times and I said, Mohit, it's so good. Mohit, it's so good.
It is, guys. My food is insanely.
It's so good. Like each bite that I take, I'm like, bro, this should be diet friendly.
It is diet
Tastes
friendly.
like, bro, it tastes like I'm having food outside. It's so good.
Changed my clothes and it's now time to head out to
Alisha. No.
Kormangla Club, bobbies. Hari's waiting for us there. We're gonna go get some good food. Kora Club, cheap food, tasty food. And it's the vibes because India is playing Namibia. They have a beautiful screening setup over there. So we're gonna have a chill time.
If India bowls first, it's fucked.
Yeah, if India bowls first, then it's fucked. India should be batting first and India should score some 400 against Namibia. Abhishek Sharma should hit some 270 runs. That would be fun to watch. We've reached Kormangla Club. Now waiting for Hari to come pick us up. As you guys know, we can't enter without his membership card.
So how is Mo's shirt, Bobby's?
Yeah, how's my shirt looking on Nishok? You guys know the rule, right?
Right.
You guys know the rule. You can't come to Kormangla Club without a collared
Without a collared shirt.
without a collared shirt. So you have to wear either a t-shirt or a shirt with a collar, and you have to cover your feet. Same when I'm wearing shoes. What, Nishok? You looking at some chicks online? Show us.
Oh shit.
Huh? Hey, caught in 4K, Nishok. Caught in 4K. Top G is here, guys.
Don't put me in that fucking video, Liam.
Don't put in the video, huh? Man's tired.
Don't put this also, bro. I'm fucking dead, bro.
What are you dead from, bro?
From work.
From work, bro. Even Nishok's dead, bro. He's had a proper housewarming today.
More asleep.
You gotta keep the vlog raw, bro. You know, you don't wanna pretend to be somebody you're not. So if you're tired, let people know that you're a hardworking, honest man. The OG Kormangla Club food. This is one full tandoori chicken and this is the chicken tikka. Let's go, Nishok.
Taste test.
Taste test. Let's go for it. Oh yeah.
Juicy.
Juicy. I can tell from the video itself. This is healthy, bro. You don't have to worry. That's why I ordered tandoori item only. No lemon chicken today, guys. Although the lemon chicken is phenomenal, I opted out of it because trying to keep it clean, you know.
Day 3, bro. Day 3, no?
It's nice.
Not bad. Presentation also has improved.
Bro, presentation has improved a fuck ton, yeah. Bro, I forgot to record, but I ate one bangda fish also, which tasted banging good. Just like how it tastes.
entire tandoori.
Yeah, I ate the entire tandoori and then one bangda fish as well. And that bangda fish tasted exactly like...
Maxing, guys.
Yeah, it tasted exactly like what I ate in Goa, bro. I ate bangda in mother recipes Goa, Benolim. Same to same taste. Now here's the chicken curry with neer dosa. Let's go for it. Now the ritual, bobbies. After Kora Club, you gotta come to Milano. Otherwise, Nishok can't go home happy.
Yeah, bro. You have to have the OG flavor, bro.
His happy ending is coming to Milano and grabbing the OG flavor.
Yeah, and then coming to your house and...
Alright, bobbies. Hari's leaving. See you, bro. Thank you, Top G. Thank you for Kormangla treat.
Yeah, bro.
You have to pay him, bro. You have to pay him. Guys, it only came out to 1,000 rupees per head. You know how much we ate? Oh my god. Anyways, that's it for this vlog. We had a very hectic long day. Fun day. See you guys in the next one.